Hey guys, it's Candace. Welcome back. Okay, sit back and get ready for one heck of an Etsy share. This is from the Junk Journal Studio, and she has this huge Summer's Bounty. It's 5 kits in total that she had. She said it was originally going to be 1 kit, but then it just got way too out of hand, and so she had to bust it down into 5 kits. So, are y'all ready for this? Oh my gosh. It is so pretty, and there's so many different kits in here that you can like break up and mix and match with other things. So let me move this so we can get a glimpse of the good stuff. All right, which way do I? Okay. It's got to go this way. Okay. Make sure I'm in frame so y'all can see. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Is that not the prettiest? Strawberries and, oh my gosh, birds and butterflies. Oh, I mean, just so pretty. And I just printed it on 32-pound page white paper that I have, just so you can see. I didn't want to put it on any coffee paper because I was, didn't want it to be too grungy. But, oh, look at that. Yummy. Just want to take a bite of that apple. Look at them butterflies. And yeah, I printed mine on borderless. So if you print it regular, it'd be just a little bit smaller. And then, you'd have to cut around the edges. But, you lose a little bit of design sometimes, but not much. But all this fit in here just beautiful. Oh, look at that. I mean, hello. Such pretty colors. And then this is just some, I guess one of the backing papers for it. And then there's some honeybees in there too. Oh, like I said, I might end up having to do 2, 3, or 4 little journals out of the different kind of varieties that's in here. I love this little honeycomb on your picnic table. And then this is some other pages that she had in there. This reminds me of like going to Subway. And then there's this one. Now she did send me a link because she said that the broccoli had too much like this in it, so she sent me a new one. So this is what's on there, and I did not print it borderless, so this is what came over. So you will probably get this one, but I just had to put it in there. I know my thingy had some ink, but this is kind of cool and distressed and grungy too, so I like it too. Look at little chickens. Oh my gosh, and look at the ladybug. There you go, Jamie. Oh. And then we got some little pumpkins and squashes with the little bunny in the field. Boy, he's been eating them. And some roosters. Some more squashes. Little birds eating some little nuts and stuff out of the field. And then there's some sunflowers in here. I know. I mean, there's just, look at this sweet little bird in there. Oh, carnations. There you go. That's Laura's favorite tulips. Mine, carnations. Oh, and I love this little backing paper too. And then you got some of the picnic paper, picnic table pattern. And then these flowers. I mean, they're just so pretty. And then this one, oh, look at that. I mean, it's just like corally peaches and just really pretty. And then these birds, oh. And then these butterflies. And that's on the kit 1. Hold on, my stuff's flying everywhere over here. So that is 26 pages. Summer's Bounty from the Junk Journal Studio. So that's her first one. Her kit number 1. Let's see if I can get all these to fit over here. Then this one, oh, kit number 2 is all backing papers. So, oh, I mean, and you could just use these in anything. Make sure I didn't get, yep. I mean, collage them. Just, oh, endless. I just, that one called my name. And like some linen reddish strawberry on the back. Some pretty red flowers. And then this looks like embossed linen paper when you actually see it in person. I mean, you should be able to see it. I hope my camera is showing it more of the salmon, dark reddish. Well, I don't even know. It's one of those colors, but it's really pretty. And then this is, I guess you'd call it more salmony dot. And then the gingham, the picnic table. And then the picnic table print here. And then this one, picnic table with some lace doily on it. And then a woven basket that's in the reddish tones. And then some music. Some old-fashioned garden, it says. And then overlaid some flowers on there. And then there's just the sheet music. The green gingham. The green and doily. And then look at this one. It's got ribbon on there. Michelle, you should have did one with red with the ribbon. I know. Give us 36 pages, and I asked for 37. And this green. And then what's so pretty with these reds and greens, you can actually use them down the road in Christmas stuff too, because it's just that pretty shade of green. Oh, and then look at this one. You know, the little embossed on linen. It's just so pretty. And then that paper, that green. Looks like dogwood maybe. Oh, I love this one. And then she's got a couple of these, what do you call them, like Edward Morris stuff. This Nouveau, that's, oh, I love that one. And I love this one too. And actually, I know I'm going to be picky, but I would just put it this way because of the flowers. And then we have these leaves. And then a lighter muted shade. Then the yellow. And then the yellow, you know, backing. And then this is that same, you know, striped like linen wash. But you can't tell the colors as well as you can on the red and green one. And then this is a really pretty yellow shade of that print. And then this one's, I like this one too. Okay, so that's that one. Let's, oh, I got the other one back there. Okay, so let's put this one up. And that was 34 pages of, oh, I'm bad, the printable journal kit for Summer's Bounty. Now this one, oh, sorry, I did not mean to hit you. This is, oh, this is a big one. Okay, here we go. This is kit number 3. No, oops. Let me check that I did this so I know. All right, so here we go. Let me turn it the right way. Oh my gosh, are y'all ready? Oh, this just has so many things in here. I mean, you got the tabs. If you know, don't have a tab punch, even if you do have a tab punch, you can still, you know, it fits just right and you can still get it. Some, oh, lovely labels, garden notes in the reddish colors and the green. And then, let me see if I can, some of these I printed 2 of, so, and then this is a pretty little envelope. And then this will be an insert into there. Oh, and then these. And easy strawberry jam. You know, I wonder if these recipes are for real. With some really pretty tags. Little library card, a pocket. Got a little bug on there. Some numbers, tags. Then we got some homemade apple pie. Plain pastry pie filling. Oh, I know y'all can see, but they're just pretty. I gotta rub my mouth while I show them. Oh, so cute. And then this is just some fruits. Little ephemera pieces to go on there. I know this one for sure I printed 2, I could see. So, yeah, because, you know, I had to think, you know, oops, there was another one right there. I knew I had that twice. I had to think ahead for another project to do. Hold on, let me put it where it belongs before I... Oh, man. There he is. Before I decide, oh, I need another one. Let me go print it. No, I have them. Okay, and then this one too. Good grief. All right. Oh. And I did another one of this one. Obviously, I just got slap crazy. But, you know, I had to do something else with it. So, I always, on some things, I go ahead and just print it twice. And I usually don't show you my second print, but I just put them all in here. And these pretty little pockets. Oh, and look at this. This big old rose. Some little tickets. Some nice journal cards. Some more ephemera. I did print 2 of those. And then look at these. That looks like a nice sized belly band. Oh. And then some seed packs. And then this envelope with this little girl with her little watering can and stuff. So cute. Yeah, I printed 2 of those. And then this little watermelon. Cinnamon roasted butternut squash. And then there's that little girl just on a large journal card. Oh, I might have to put some of these chickens. I don't know. I might have to make Brooke just a farm thing. My son, I don't know who bought them, but they have 12 chickens now. So he's been out building this chicken coop that's turned into a chicken house. But yeah, it's really cute. So I don't know, but yeah, we shall see what becomes of the chickens. And then here's another ephemera piece with, I mean, just such pretty little pieces. And then you got some of the Art Nouveau, Morris kind of stuff. Cute little tags. And then look at these little bee ones. Oh. And then this one, the bee and sunflower. And this one, I did two prints. But, you know, that's because sometimes I use what they made it for this way, and then y'all know most times I don't, so. And then this is really cute. And I got 2 of them. And then this one. These are some really pretty little labels, and you can use these all the time. Some more chickens. Oh, and I know there was another one of these in here, but this one looks like it was a little bent and had a little problem. But that is this one, the huge 33-page journal kit number 3, and she has them all on sale, 25% off. So it was $2.44 for these 33 pages. I mean, my gosh. All right, next. Okay, this is number 4. This is, you know, she's got words. And let me just note on here that I did this for Sunday. I don't even know what today is. Shoot, I don't know. All right, so let's just turn these so we can see. So as usual, she has, you know, the light antique, and then she has them on the darker coffee dyed look. So you get those. And then she has, like, this is the large, and then she has the medium, and then she always puts the little small in there. So you get, you know, different sizes, so you already have them. And then she always puts a little extra something on there. And then here, the beginning is the most important part of the work. Yep. So kindness. Weeds are flowers, too. Oh, man, but they're pretty, but they stink. Anyway. They are pretty, but man, why do they have to smell? Why are they so potent? Oh. Just so many cute little gardening things. And then she's got, you know, got the same little sayings with the reddish color on 2 different sizes. Well, 3, because you get medium and small. On here on green, same thing with the green. And then, you know, I love these. This is an oops page. I printed it on regular paper, but I went back and printed it on 45-pound paper because I might want to use them for something else. And then you have these little cards and some smaller version of the big words. And then the, you know, the words on the coffee dye, the more grungier page. Some other little journal cards. And then look at these little tags. And then smaller versions and some more journal cards. But yep, that's that one. That's kit number 3. Oh, I'm bad. Number 4. $1.83. I know. But can you imagine all of those in one? Jeez. It'd been a whole ream of paper. So be prepared. It does take a while to print these. Oh. But, and then she has some labels and tags. And oh my gosh, you know, you're not supposed to have favorites, but this one is mine. Look at how pretty the tags are. Oh my gosh. Yep. Year round on those too. Look, ladybug. And just such pretty bird. I mean, just pretty, pretty. And then just have the smaller and medium versions of them. And then these, like I said, these you can use at you know what time, because it's that pretty shade. Same with that one, that pretty shade of green. And then some more tabs. And then look at how sweet these are. And then the same thing, but just the smaller versions. Oops, I'm upside down. Hold on, y'all. Oh. Oh, good grief. All right, hold on. We got to go again. And then those. Oh, I know. And if that wasn't enough, then on her Facebook page, she has 5 pages that go with the Summer's Bounty on her Facebook freebies on the Junk Journal Studio. Look how pretty these are. So, if you're not a member, get up there and join her Facebook. Oh, yep. Pretty, pretty. And then look at these pages. And I mean, they're the same, just different colors, but, oh, yep. So, there you go. That is my huge Etsy share from the Junk Journal Studio with her 5 kits, 1 theme, because she said it just got out of hand. And so she had to break them down into 5 kits so she could get everything that she had made in there. So she said she's going to try real hard not to make a kit this big again, to have to break them down, but they're really pretty. So I hope y'all enjoyed our little Etsy share, our Etsy enablers that I had. But if you're looking for any of these, something like this, this is really one big kit to have, and you could use all these papers and pages and mix and match them in so many things. So anyway, I'll have the links for her little Facebook page and everything on the video down below, and we will be having to get into this and start making some stuff, and I will see y'all on the next video. So thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing some of your time with me. Have a great day, a blessed day. Lots of kisses, lots of hugs and love. Let me see, we'll get some beards and some bees. I mean, there's just, look at all this stuff. Oh my gosh. Michelle spoiled us rotten. All right, guys, I'll see y'all later, and go check this out if you want to, or put it in your ho-ho wish list. But if not, oh my gosh, it is just so pretty. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.